Well, hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hayley if you're new here. Today we're going to take a look at the Lookfantastic box for May. Let's see what's inside. So I'm going to take this big one first. So it looks like a brush. So this is Brushworks Quick Blow Dry Hairbrush, and this is worth £7, over £7 it says. So it looks nice. Let's open it up and see what it's like. It's pretty. The last time I got a brush in this box, it was a wet brush, and I really like that brush. So I wonder what this one's going to be like. So you've got the holes there, so you can blow dry through it, and it feels nice and springy. I like it. It says detangling for most hair types, so I'll probably still use that even though I don't blow dry my hair. So that's a nice brush there. Usually I'm not excited about brushes, but last time I got the wet brush I was like, oh, what's this? But then I used it and it's the best brush I have ever had, and I'm so glad that it was in the box. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. So next I'm going to take this one, and this is Sol de Janeiro number 87. This is a perfume mist worth £11. Oh yeah, I like that. What does it remind me of? It is so nice, and it is a smell that I recognise. Does it say what's in it? This says, let carefree beach days linger with nostalgic notes of lait de coco, tuberose and warm sand. And it does have a nostalgic smell to me. I just love the smell of it. Oh, is it one of my favourites ever? Because some of them, they're quite sweet, but this one's not too sweet. I'm loving that one. I'm really pleased with that. That's a good one. I like it a lot. That is so nice. Next, what have we got? Got a little one here by Cetaphil. So this is a moisturising lotion, normal to dry and sensitive skin. And I don't know if I've tried this one. I don't think I have. I might pass this along because someone in my household does have very sensitive skin, but we'll see if they want it or not. Otherwise I can just use it on my neck. That's what I do with these creams when they're too rich for my face. I just use them on my neck. And this is worth over £1. That's not very exciting, is it? This one is exciting because it's Elemis. I love Elemis. So this is Pro Collagen Hydrating Cleansing Mousse, Rich Replenishing Cleanser, and this is worth £16. Shall we see what it smells like? I don't want to squeeze it because it is very full. It wants to come out. I can smell something nice. It does smell nice, but without using it I probably can't tell what that is really going to be like. This will be in my empties at some point, so you'll hear what I think of it, because I just love the Elemis Pro Collagen range. Can't wait to try that. I won't be passing that along, that is for sure. That is mine. Mine it is. Okay, there's a couple more things in here. What have we got here? Innisfree, this is. And what is this called? Green tea ceramide milk, barrier essence, super green tea, 9 hyaluronic acid ceramide. So this is worth £9. Oh, and it looks like a little toner. And I love a toner. Love a toner. Let's see if it smells. I'm going to pour a bit on my hand for you to see. Oh, it's not too runny. I thought it was going to run off my hand. So there it is. It's like a milk. I mean, it says it's a milk. And it spreads very far. I don't think I can smell anything, because I've got that perfume in the air now, haven't I? but I do like a milky toner, because one I'm running out of now is the Bioma toner, and it is so nice, like a skin barrier toner, I think they call it, in the orange packaging, and I'm absolutely in love with that toner, and it's about to run out, so I'm a little bit sad about that. So I'll enjoy trying this new one, and I'll see what that's like. I don't think I've ever had anything from Innisfree, so that's interesting. I can't wait to try that one. And I like a toner, love a toner. I think they're underrated toners. Okay, last thing, we've got Colour Wow Advanced Dry Shampoo. And what does this say about it? This is 60ml and it's worth £15. Worth quite a bit, that one. Shocked. Let's see what it sprays out like. I have just washed my hair today, so I don't really need it. There's no, you know, I hate it when you get the colour in there and it smells nice. I do like the smell of that, so I'm going to enjoy that because I do use dry shampoo. So that's a good one. I'll use all of this. I really like that. Oh, I'm really pleased with this box actually. The only thing I'm a bit is that I don't really care for that. And I don't use Cetaphil that much. I have used one of their cleansers and I did like that. So I shall use it, and if not, I'll give it to someone else in my house to use. So there's that. And that's probably nice and lightweight for their skin as well. So, did you get this month's box? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.